working with Teddy Kollek was absolutely exciting, very exciting. He was a very gruff man. We learned to be friends, but it was difficult in the beginning. But, well, one story was I had just been working there. I didn't come in as executive director. I came in as sort of a person that could do a lot of it. I was a program I think I was a program director. I don't remember what my title was, but I did a little of everything. It was like a jack of all trades, which was very good because by the time I became executive director, I had done every job. But so I had just been there a couple of months when the board asked if I would do a dinner. I had never done a dinner, a fundraising dinner. I didn't know where to begin. It was going to be Teddy Kollek's 75th birthday. So I thought, we'll do something for Teddy's 75th birthday. Well, I remembered that he had been friends with Leonard Bernstein. So I took a chance and I called Bernstein's office and I said, Teddy Kollek is going to have a 75th birthday and we're going to have a dinner at the plaza, and would Maestro consider doing something? They said they'll get back to me, and 2 days later they got back to me and they said yes, he would come, and that he would premiere, he had written music to a Yiddish poem by a Yiddish poet who was living in Montreal, whose name I don't remember, but he was going to premiere it at the party. So they said, send us the schedule of when he should come. So, I worked it out that first we would have the dinner, have hors d'oeuvres, and then the dinner, and then when they would clear the table and it was quiet, before dessert, Leonard Bernstein would come. He was coming with a baritone who was going to sing and a pianist who was going to do dual piano with him. So, and Isaac Stern was going to be the master of ceremonies. So, not bad for a first event. So, about 10 to 9, the maitre d' of the plaza came running over to me and he said, Leonard Bernstein is here. And so I go out into the hall, and there is Bernstein with his black cape with the red lining, with these two very handsome young men with the black capes and the red lining and the top hats. And Lenny said to me, it looks like you're running late, because they were still eating. He said, I'm very nervous. Can you find me a quiet room where we could practice? And I thought, Leonard Bernstein is telling me he's nervous. He should see what my stomach is doing. But because he was premiering this work, and I guess they hadn't rehearsed it very much together. So then Isaac Stern came running over, and the maitre d' found him a quiet room with a piano, and they rehearsed. But I'll never forget him telling me how nervous he was, because I was dying.